Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to DevOps King channel. On this channel, you will find the solution of different tasks about Azure DevOps and AWS. Today, I shall explain part 2 of OpenClaw installation and configuration and integration with WhatsApp. On this channel, you will find the training material for Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Azure AWS, VPC, AI, Web CICD. If you have any query, please contact on this WhatsApp number. Let's start. On this channel, every video is prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search the channel on the YouTube, please use our DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Let's start for the part 2 of this series for the OpenClaw installation, configuration and integration with WhatsApp. In part 2, we shall start from the step 14 because in this series from step 1 to 13, there is the step that I have covered in the part 1 of this series. Now in the part 2 of this series, in the step 14, there are different channels like Telegram, Bot API and Google Chat as well. As you can see that there are the different channels. But as we are going to configure for the WhatsApp, so we shall select the WhatsApp QR link. You can see that there are other different options like Telegram bot, Discord bot, IRC, Google Chat, Slack, Signal, iMessage, Line, Microsoft Teams bot framework. These are all the channels that we can configure in using the OpenClaw. But right now, I shall cover the integration with the WhatsApp. In the coming series, I shall also cover the integration with the Microsoft Teams as well. Now, after this, in the step 15, integrate with the WhatsApp. Now we shall integrate it with the WhatsApp. You can see that in the first step, we have select the QR code for the WhatsApp. So you can see that in the below, we are link WhatsApp QR code. We have by using the arrow key, we have select the yes option for this. You can see that. After selecting the yes option, when we press the enter, we shall see the barcode QR code for the WhatsApp. Scan the QR code. Now at this position, you will open your mobile and in the setting of your WhatsApp setting, you will scan the QR code. As you can see that you will scan the QR code here. Now the most important option in this case you will select is the WhatsApp phone number, WhatsApp setup. This is my personal phone number. So you have to select this one. This is my personal phone number. After that, in the step 17, enter your WhatsApp number in this case. Like you can see that in the below, I have entered the WhatsApp number, my personal WhatsApp number for the integration of the WhatsApp with the OpenClaw. So after writing the WhatsApp number, please we shall press the enter button after that. And first of all, we shall scan the QR code by using our mobile from the WhatsApp, and after that we shall write our WhatsApp number. And in the next step, you can see that as we have integrated the WhatsApp with the OpenClaw, now we used to skip the next integration for using the OpenClaw. Select the option skip for now. You can see that in the channel in this section, when we select the different option for the WhatsApp as well, the OpenClaw.json file will be updated as well, workspace as well, and moreover for the session as well. Now you can see that after the integration of the WhatsApp, we shall select the option skip for now. You can see that in the below section. When we select this option, after that in the step 19, now we configure other skill later on because we shall configure all other things step by step, but right now we are covering the integration of OpenClaw with the WhatsApp. So in this case, you can see that the skill status are eligible 6 status, missing requirement 38, all these about the OpenClaw. Now we are skipping the configuration more skill of the OpenClaw. Now after selecting the no option by using the arrow key on your keyboard, now we shall move to the next step. Like you can in the step 20 hook for another skip, select the option skip for now. We are skipping the option for the hook because we have already integrated the OpenClaw with our WhatsApp. Like you can see that we have configure skill. Now we have selected the yes because now we shall do it after that, and at the end for the enable hooks we have select the skip for now, so that we can do work some with the OpenClaw by using the WhatsApp. Now for the next step 21, in that now OpenClaw gateway will be listening as below. As I already explained in the part 1 of this series, in the OpenClaw there is a gateway as well. That gateway will be running in the backend of the OpenClaw to manage all the requests to the OpenClaw. Like you can see that by the arrow button, the listening for the personal WhatsApp inbound message. It means that we have successfully integrate the OpenClaw with the WhatsApp number, because the last line you can see that listening for the personal WhatsApp inbound message for this. Now after this we shall in the step 22, now we shall open the web UI of the OpenClaw so that we can do some task with the OpenClaw and the WhatsApp. Right now you can see that web UI URL is given by the arrow button, by the arrow, and the other one the gateway is also given. Start UI best option is that you can see that in the bottom we are selecting the open the web UI. When we select this option by using the arrow button in the keyboard, after that we shall get this option. This is very important, and we have successfully integrate the OpenClaw with our WhatsApp. Different option for the system, because our assistant is available, OpenClaw assistant is available to manage the WhatsApp request about this. Because on this interface on the left hand side there are different options that we shall cover in the coming part of this series. Like you can see that on the left there is a chat as well, there is a channel as well, interfaces, usage, cron jobs, agents, skills, nodes, all these the different options that I shall cover in the coming parts of this series. In the center you can see that we have ChatGPT. We have select 5.4 ChatGPT for this in the OpenClaw, because in the part 1 of the series I have provided the API key for the OpenAI. So on the right hand side you can see that assistant by using the OpenClaw icon, the assistant is given, as you can see that ready to chat. On the right hand side by the arrow you can see that OpenClaw assistant is ready to chat. So in this case next one, it means that we are ready to work with the OpenClaw assistant at the WhatsApp as well. Now in the step 24, now we shall do the chat with the OpenClaw assistant from our mobile. Like you can see that there is option what can you do. When we write here in the message box what can you do, our assistant will give you the answer according to our request from the client. So up to this point we have configured the WhatsApp with our OpenClaw, and in the coming lecture I shall also explain how we can troubleshoot the OpenClaw in different case, because OpenClaw gave the different tool for the troubleshooting, for the logging, and for the monitoring. These are all things will be covered in the next part of this series. Best of luck. See you in the next part of this series. Good luck.